Hey beautiful people, this video is for you. Today we're looking into something truly special, designed specifically for those who feel an unexplained pull towards understanding deeper universal truths. You might have felt at times as if you are naturally aligned with the energy of the universe, as if manifesting your desires comes easier to you than to others. If so, you might be one of the chosen and individuals who have an innate ability to leverage the law of attraction with almost effortless grace. And we'll uncover what it means to be one of the chosen and how you can further harness this powerful law to bring about the changes you seek in your life. Let's explore together how to recognize these signs within yourself and set powerful intentions to activate the law of attraction more consciously. How do you know if you are among the chosen? It often starts with a heightened sensitivity to your surroundings and an innate understanding of your own emotions. You might find yourself often in tune with others' feelings and able to read situations without much information. This isn't simply intuition, it's a sign of being in sync with the universe's vibrations, which is a clear indicator that you have a natural propensity for using the law of attraction. Another sign is observing how frequently your desires manifest into reality. Reflect on times when you've thought about someone and then they called, or when you've desired a change in your life and opportunities to make that change appeared seemingly out of nowhere. These are not random occurrences, but are the fruits of your innate ability to attract what you focus on. For those who resonate with these signs, understanding that you're chosen is the first step toward mastering the law of attraction. Accept this gift and recognize that you are equipped with an extraordinary ability to influence your environment and create outcomes that many might deem as coincidences or luck. The reality, but, is that you are effectively and consistently broadcasting frequencies that attract the energies aligned with your thoughts and feelings. As a chosen one, you might also notice that your manifestations occur more rapidly when you're in a state of joy or love. This is because these emotions vibrate at higher frequencies, which are incredibly potent and can accelerate the manifestation process. Therefore, maintaining a joyful and loving demeanor isn't just beneficial for your mental and emotional health. It's a strategic approach to effectively utilizing the law of attraction. Setting intentions is one of the most powerful ways to use the law of attraction consciously. An intention is like a map for where you want your energy to go. It is not just about wishing for something, it is about actively choosing to manifest certain experiences and qualities in your life. When you set an intention, you define what you want to attract and invite it into your reality with clarity and purpose. For the chosen, setting intentions can be particularly effective because of your natural alignment with the universe's frequencies. When you make a conscious effort to not only think about what you want, but also to feel and believe in it wholeheartedly, you create a strong vibration that the universe can respond to more readily. Here's what you can do. Start by clearly identifying what you want. Be specific about it without being tied to the outcome. Your focus should be on the essence of what you wish to experience, such as joy, love, or success. Once your intention is set, release it to the universe with trust that it will orchestrate the best path for it to manifest. Maintaining this trust is crucial. Doubt can cloud your intentions and interfere with the law of attraction. As someone among the chosen, it is vital to cultivate a mindset that not only sets intentions, but also deeply believes in the eventual manifestation of those desires. Remember, the clearer and more consistent you are with your intentions, the more likely they are to materialize in your life. Emotional alignment is another key element in effectively using the law of attraction. This means aligning your feelings with your desires. When your emotions match what you aspire to attract, you create a powerful resonance that can pull your desires into reality. Think of it as tuning into the right radio frequency to hear the music you like. And if your emotions are out of sync with your intentions, it can be like trying to tune into a rock station and hearing classical music instead. For the chosen, who are naturally more in tune with their emotions, recognizing and adjusting your emotional state can come more naturally. Pay attention to how you feel throughout the day. When you notice emotions that don't align with your desires, like frustration or sadness, consciously choose to shift back to positive emotions that resonate more closely with your aspirations, such as hope, gratitude, or excitement. This might involve activities that you know will help shift your mood, or simply choosing to focus on thoughts that bring a sense of peace and happiness. Practicing this emotional alignment regularly helps solidify your intentions and makes the law of attraction work more efficiently for you. It is not just about thinking positively, but about feeling positively too. This alignment of thought and emotion sends out the clearest signal to the universe, bringing you into the path of your desires more swiftly and effortlessly. Visualization is a potent tool in harnessing the law of attraction, allowing you to see your intentions as already realized in your mind's eye. It involves vividly imagining achieving your desires, experiencing the emotions and sensations associated with your goals as if they were current reality. This practice not only reinforces your intentions, but also deepens your emotional resonance with them, making your desires feel attainable and real. Begin by finding a quiet place where you can relax without interruptions. Close your eyes and picture your life as it would be with your desires fulfilled. Imagine the scene in as much detail as possible. Where are you? What are you doing? And most importantly, how do you feel? This detail isn't just about creating a mental image, it's about feeling the joy, peace, or success that comes with achieving your dreams. And the more real it feels in your visualization, the stronger the signal you send to the universe. Consistency in this practice is key. Dedicate a few minutes each day to visualize your intentions. And this regular commitment helps to keep your energy and focus aligned with your desires, reinforcing the frequency and strength of your attraction efforts. For the chosen, who are naturally attuned to their inner visual and emotional worlds, this technique can be especially effective, enhancing your natural capabilities to manifest by engaging directly with your subconscious mind. Affirmations are positive, powerful statements that help you to overcome negative thoughts and reprogram your mindset towards a focus on achievement and success. They work by repeatedly sending positive and reaffirming messages to your subconscious, which adjusts your underlying beliefs and enhances your overall receptivity to your desires. To implement affirmations, choose phrases that resonate deeply with what you aim to attract or become. For instance, if you seek abundance, you might use an affirmation like, "I am fully open and receptive to all the wealth life offers me." Speak these words with conviction and belief, ideally in a calm and peaceful setting where you can focus without distractions. Repeat your affirmations daily and whenever you feel doubt creeping in. The repetition not only helps to solidify these thoughts in your mind, making them more prevalent than negative ones, but also builds an energy of expectation and receptivity. For those identified as the chosen, your intrinsic connection to your inner self can make affirmations particularly powerful, as they align well with your natural propensity for deeper emotional and mental integration. Encountering obstacles is a natural part of the process when you are working with the law of attraction. These challenges can often appear as doubts, fears, or external circumstances that seem to block your path forward. But recognizing these obstacles not as barriers, but as opportunities to reaffirm your commitment to your desires is crucial. The first step to overcoming these obstacles is to acknowledge them without judgment. Understand that having doubts does not mean your efforts are failing. Rather, it's a sign that your desires are significant and that your mind is seeking reassurance. When you face an obstacle, pause and reflect on what the challenge is teaching you. Is it asking for more clarity in your intentions? Or perhaps it's highlighting an area of your life where your beliefs do not yet align with your goals. Next, reaffirm your commitment to your path. You can do this through meditation, where you refocus and realign your intentions, or by writing down your goals and the reasons they are important to you. This helps to clear out any mental clutter and refocus your energy on your objectives, reinforcing your resolve and your belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Trusting the universe plays a fundamental role in effectively using the law of attraction, especially for the chosen, who are deeply connected to the universal flow of energy. Trust involves believing that the universe has a plan and that all things will come to fruition at the right time. It requires patience and a deep-seated belief that the outcomes you desire will manifest, even if they are not apparent immediately. To cultivate trust, start by letting go of the need to control the timing and specifics of your manifestations. Instead, focus on maintaining a positive outlook and continuing your alignment practices like visualization and affirmations. Celebrate small signs of progress as indicators that your efforts are moving you in the right direction, even if the end goal hasn't fully materialized yet. Another powerful way to build trust is to maintain a gratitude practice. Each day, take a moment to acknowledge and appreciate where you are and the progress you've made. Gratitude shifts your focus from what is lacking to what is abundantly present in your life, which aligns your energy with abundance and success, making you more receptive to receiving the fruits of your desires. The final step in harnessing the law of attraction involves taking concrete actions toward your goals. While it's essential to visualize and believe, action is the bridge that connects your desires to their realization. Taking inspired action means making moves that feel right and are aligned with your goals. It's about creating momentum with proactive steps that bring you closer to your dreams. Start by identifying small, manageable actions that feel achievable. This could involve researching opportunities, networking with others, or developing skills relevant to your goals. Each action, no matter how small, is a step towards manifesting your desires. It's crucial to remain flexible and responsive to the opportunities that come your way, as these can often be the universe working in your favor. For those recognized as the chosen, your intuitive connection to your desires can guide you in choosing the most effective actions. Trust in your instincts and the feelings that guide you towards certain activities and away from others. This intuition is a powerful ally in navigating your path and ensuring that every step you take is imbued with purpose and alignment with your ultimate objectives. While we wrap up, remember that the power to shape your life truly lies within you. By understanding and applying the law of attraction, you are setting the foundation for a life filled with purpose and possibility. Every thought, emotion, and action you put out into the world holds the potential to bring you closer to your dreams. Trust in this process, stay consistent, and let the universe guide you. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with more insights that empower you on your path. Your support helps us reach others who might benefit from these messages. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay aligned and stay inspired.